Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 80, remove duplicates from sorted array. So in this problem, array nums is given sorted in non-decreasing order, and we have to remove the duplicates in such a way that unique element appears at most twice, meaning that the element, whichever elements are there, that element can exist only and the array twice, not more than that. So for example, in the input array, 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 2 times, and 3 occurs 3 times. So the 2 and 3 satisfies the condition, but 1 does not satisfy the condition. So that so what we will do here is we will remove the 1, and we can remove it, and it does not matter whether we put it at last or not. We just have to remove this element and then return the number of elements in the array. So here we will take the input array. What is our given array? Given array is nums. Elements are 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. So in question it is asking that we can have an element at most 2 times, not more than 2. So our what will be our output? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and 3, and last element we can leave it like that. Last elements we can leave. So with the last to last element. So if that element, for example, if our pointer I is here, so we will compare this I with this. Let's write the index numbers. So what we have to do here is we have to compare this second index element, which is 1, with this element I minus 2. This is I minus 1, this is I. So we have to compare this one with this one. If this one is not equal to this one, then we will put that element at k. So in an array it is given that the element can exist twice. So these two elements satisfies the condition, right? We can start our pointer from second index, because even if there is now here in this array it is 1 comma 1, even this satisfies the condition, so it is known kit. So we can keep this element as it is. Now what we will do is we will loop through complete array from the index number 2. We will start for loop from here, and we will change the array from here. Why? Because with an unique element can occur 2 times. So here one occur, so up to index 1 the element can be whether it is 0, it will not be more than 2 times. So we will not change this. We will try modify the array from the second index. So here what we are going to do is, first we will loop through the complete array by using the for loop, and in the second if condition, what we will do, we will compare this I with I minus 2. So even if I is equals to I minus 1, it is okay, because that element will be on in the array 2 times. If it is equal to I minus 1 and I minus 2 also, then it will be that does not satisfy our question condition. So what we will do, we will compare the nums of I with nums of I minus 2. If it is not equal to nums of I minus 1, what we will do, we will just put that element at k index. Otherwise we will just move the pointer. Let's see how it works in a step by step. So first we will start from I is equals to 2, k is equals to 2, and our array is 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. So I is here, k is here. So at I is equals to 2, second index, which what is nums of I? Nums of I and nums of I minus 2. We'll compare these two. So the nums of I is 1, nums of I minus 2 is, this is I minus 1, this is I minus 2, I minus 1, I minus 2. So is I minus is so we have to check this condition is not equal to. So is it true? No, it is false. So what we will do, we will just, is 1 not equal to 1? False. So we will not do anything, we will just move the pointer I plus plus. So now our I is at, I is equals to 3, which is I 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. So our now I is here, this is I minus 1 and this is I minus 2. So now nums of I is 2 is not equal to I minus 2 is 1. So this condition satisfy, which is true. So what we'll do, we will here put nums of k is equal to nums of I. So nums of k is this element. So here we will put 2, 1 comma 1 comma 2. So this is our new modified array. So the k, initial k was here, now the k will move to the move forward. So after placing the element at nums of k, we will move the k pointer. Now at I is equals to 4, which this is, now this is our I, this is our I minus 1, this is our I minus 2. This is our I minus 2. So is 2 not equal to 1? Again true. So again nums of k will be equal to nums of I. Move the pointer. So now k will be here. Now again so 2 our, now we will move the k pointer here. Now again at I is equals to 5, is 3 not equal to, so this will be our new I, this will be our new I minus 1 and this will be our new I minus 2. So we will compare this 3 with 2, is 3 not equal to 2? True. Repeat the same step, nums of k is equals to nums of I minus I and k plus plus. Now if you want to put that element at the last or just leave it, it does not matter. So and just we have to return the k. What is k? So we have to return this number, this element. How many elements are there? So we have just we have to return the number of elements. How many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So here what we can do, we can after k plus plus, so our new k is equals to, this was our 0, this was our 0th index, this was first, second, third, fourth. Now after we place the last element at k, we moved the k pointer, right? Now so we can just directly return the k. Let's write the code. So in the edge case, what we can do is, we can just, if in case length of the array is less than or equal to 2, we can just return n. For all other cases, we'll just first initialize our k pointer as second index, and we will run our loop also from the second index, because the first two elements, even if we put any element 0 1 2, it can occur at most 2 times, not more than that. So there is no need to check for the 0 and first index. We will run the loop from the second index, I less than and we will run the loop till n minus 1, so less than I less than n becomes n minus 1 only, and then we will just move the pointer. If nums of I is not equal to nums of I minus 1, nums of k is equals to nums of I. So here what we are doing is, if the element is if that element is not is occurring at most 2 times, then we will place that element at the starting, otherwise we will just move the pointer. So here after moving the k pointer, we will just return k. Wrong answer. Why? So our nums of, we started with I is equals to 2, and then if nums of, acha, sorry, I made a mistake. I compared it with the I minus, so it should be I minus 2. Mhm. So when I put k here, so it is giving me right answer. We are moving I, but no, but so here we will use 2, because we are using k to keep the track of the unique elements. So we are using k as the track of the unique element. So this k will not move, because the one is occurring thrice. So this k will not move. So we will so here in this condition it will be k only. So we will put k, not I. Let's submit the code. Done. And the complexity, time complexity, big O of n, and the time complexity will be big O of n, right?